What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I will be showing you how to change your profile picture on your TikTok account. This is super easy to do just inside of the app itself, and you could just create a photo just from there or upload a photo that you already have on your phone. They make it super easy for you to do. So I'm going to be hopping into my app right now, and I will be showing you exactly what is going on in there in order to change your profile picture. So hopping onto the main screen now, you're going to end up hitting the icon in the bottom right hand corner to take you to your profile. And once you're in your profile here, what you're going to do is hit the edit profile button, which is kind of in the center of the screen right now. It's right below your username and your follower account and all of that. And above your bio, there's that big old button there. You'll click on that. And then at the top of the screen, it's going to have an option to change photo right below your existing profile picture. And it's got that little camera icon there as well. And you can see my profile picture is kind of faded in the background. But once you click on that, it gives you the option to either take a photo yourself or upload one from your camera roll. And once you do upload it, it will be automatically saved. And you can just back out from there and see your new profile picture on your profile. And that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions though, or were confused at all on how this worked, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.